In this video, we will guide you through how to fix Steam download speed dropping to zero. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now first, just go ahead and open Steam and go to the top left and click on Steam and go to settings. From here, just go ahead and go to the download section, and then now under the download region, make sure you have selected the server location that's closest to where you live. Choosing the nearest download server can often improve download stability and reduce sudden speed drop. Now just go ahead and go to your Windows search bar and just go ahead and search for view network connection, and then just open it. After that, double click on your network adapter that you are currently using. This could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. In my case, it's Wi-Fi, so I'll just go ahead and double click on it. And then here, just go ahead and click on properties. Now you will see internet protocol version 4. Just go ahead and select it and click on properties. And now make sure to use the following DNS server address is toggled on. And then here, just go ahead and type 1.1.1.1. And then for alternate DNS server, just go ahead and type 1.0.0.1. You can also use Google DNS server, which is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 for alternate DNS server. After that, just go ahead and click on OK, and then click on close. After that, you can just close this and then go to the Windows search bar and type cmd and choose to open command prompt as administrator. Just click on yes if prompted. After that, in the command prompt, just go ahead and type the following command. Just go ahead and type ipconfig space / flush DNS. After that, just go ahead and press enter, and then also type netsh space winsock space reset. After that, just go ahead and press enter, and once both commands are finished, you can just close this and then restart your computer and then try downloading your game once again in Steam.